above the sparkling clouds lived a happy little star named Twinkle. Twinkle loved to play every single day. She had a glowing star teddy, a colorful sparkle ball, and lots of other toys. She laughed, jumped from cloud to cloud, and had the biggest smile on her face. As Twinkle played, she left her toys behind one by one. The star teddy, which is her favorite toy, would float on one cloud. Soon, Mama Star gently reminded Twinkle to put her toys away before playing something new. But Twinkle was having so much fun that she decided to clean up later. The sky became filled with toys scattered everywhere, but Twinkle didn't notice. She happily continued playing until it was time to go home. The next day, Twinkle wanted to play with her favorite glowing star teddy again. She flew to the clouds where she had been playing, but her favorite toy was nowhere to be found. Twinkle searched behind fluffy clouds. She looked under glowing moon rocks. She peeked between sparkling stars. But the teddy was still missing. The more Twinkle searched, the sadder she became. Finally, she sat quietly on a soft cloud with tears in her eyes. Mama Star came over and gave Twinkle a warm, gentle hug. Together, they looked at all the toys scattered across the sky. That's when Twinkle realized something important. Because she had left her toys everywhere, she couldn't remember where her favorite one was. Twinkle carefully picked up each toy and placed it into her glowing toy basket. As she cleaned the last cloud, she noticed something shining behind the sparkle ball. It was her favorite glowing star teddy. Twinkle hugged her teddy tightly and smiled from ear to ear. She finished putting away the rest of her toys, and soon every cloud was clean and tidy again. The next time Twinkle finished playing, she carefully placed every toy back into her basket before going home. From that day on, Twinkle always cleaned up after playtime because she knew that keeping her toys neat meant she could always find her favorite ones. And before we say goodnight, I have a little question for you. Did you clean up your toys and put them back where they belong? If you did, give yourself a big clap. If not, that's okay. You can do it now and make your toys happy. I'll see you in our next bedtime adventure. Good night, little stars. Sweet dreams.